ready to make country fried boneless chicken leg. Hey, this is going to be good. We have the egg wash there. We have the flour with the SPG in it. And we'll wet down that griddle here in a minute with some oil and get to frying these. Boneless chicken leg. Wonder how that chicken got around. Flood the griddle with some oil, and we'll throw them boneless chicken legs on there and get them to frying right up. I sure do like country fried chicken. I remember back when you wanted fried chicken, you go to the store, you bought a whole chicken, then you had to cut it up yourself. But you got the neck and the giblets with it. Today you got to buy your chicken in pieces. I remember later on in the years you could buy a whole chicken cut up. Then I guess that faded out anyways. Now you buy them by the piece. You either buy breast, you either buy legs, thighs, and everything's becoming boneless now. Boneless thighs, boneless chicken breast, boneless chicken legs. And you don't get the gizzards and livers and necks and backs anymore with it like you used to. At least that's the way it is around here. Now you can still buy a whole chicken and cut it up yourself, but they don't put the giblets or anything in them anymore. They sell all that separate. Anyways, back to frying up this boneless chicken leg. I want to tell you what, they turned out really good and tasty. Fantastic. Chicken fried. Country fried. Oh, now look at that golden brown. I tell you what, it's turned out really good. Fantastic. Turn the heat down here just a little bit. Add a little more oil to the griddle there. One thing about it, when you're frying chicken, it takes a little bit of oil, even on the griddle. Let's check the temperature of a few of these. I believe they're turning out just right. All of them's 165 to 170, 175, so they turned out just perfect. And I tell you what, They turned out great. And I tell you what, add a little white gravy, country pepper gravy with this, dipping or spread over it, mashed potatoes. Oh yeah. And all we used was all-purpose flour with SPG in it, egg wash, and we had the griddle set about 350 to 375. Now I want you to look at these boneless country fried chicken legs. These turned out really good, golden brown. Hey, we had pepper gravy with mashed potatoes. Oh my, it was good. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing. And most of all, have a great day.